Maggie Mulhern. I am here with Carmody Horman. He's on the Ulta Pro Beauty team.
Correct.
And it's very exciting. We're doing a photo shoot, and we have today here an intern. Sophia is 13 years old, and Carmody, you were looking at her hair, and what did you say?
I said we need to cut that hair. Yeah, she got beautiful hair because the wave in there is amazing.
Yeah, and it's beautiful hair. And he was saying, you know, I'd love to just release some of the texture that you have in here.
Yep.
And she just slept on her hair last night wet. She didn't blow it out. And if you look over here, you can see, here, turn this way, Sophia. You can see that there's a lot of texture. So just in a nutshell, we're going to watch you do this. But what is it you're going to do to accomplish this?
Yeah, well, I was just saying to her, she's got a beautiful little face in there. And if we have a look at the hair, like it's hanging, it's very heavy, and it's like brick-like. And it's not about cutting the layers too short. And obviously she's younger, she needs to tie it up, she's a dancer. But little things can change a whole haircut. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go through technically on dry hair and slice a lot of this hair out from the middle ends to the ends. So we actually start to create less volume in the hair and sort of more shatteredness. So it looks a little bit more relevant now what we're seeing on the runways, where it's a lot softer if you have a look at this side compared to this side. So that's kind of the aim of the game. And we're going to go through technically with the large shears, dry cutting shears, and start from the back and move all the way forward, so we start to really create a splintered, shattered edge all the way through the perimeter.
Okay, why dry cutting?
Well, just because I want to bring the natural movement out. I'm not going to try and sell her, look, you got to blow dry your hair every day before school and get it absolutely perfect with a curling iron. So she already has a texture in there. I want to see how it evolves if I start to cut from wet to dry. I'm going to spend too much time cutting it wet, know that I'm going to blow dry it, flat iron it, or curl it. Whereas when I'm cutting it dry, I can see this natural movement come through and really work with the texture rather than against the texture.
So exciting. So we'll catch up with you at the end. Thank you so much, Sophia, for volunteering this, and thanks to her mom, who just dropped her off here to intern today.
Absolutely.
Come back and get a whole new girl.
Come on. See you soon.
Okay, so Carmody, the finished result, tell us how this is going to make her life better and prettier.
Well, just have a look at the shape first of all. We've got a lot of seamless layers in there, so you can't see any stop or start within the layers in the haircut. So we know whether she blow dries it straight, she leaves it natural, or puts a curling iron in it. There's not going to be hard lines with the layering. So that's first of all a winner. The one thing we did not do is fake this wave. I did not put a curling iron in this hair. This is just from the haircut. So all we used was some of the Redken 02 Shine Flash just to bring a little more shine and texture to the hair. But you can already see with the haircut, it's framed the face, brought that out, her natural movement. She's still got the body in it, but just very, 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 very soft all the way through the haircut. Very now, very youthy, very beautiful.
And I know you were playing around. She can wear it any kind of a part. She can pull it straight back.
Yeah, she can move the shape around. I mean, if you look on the runways at the moment, we're parting a lot of the stuff in the middle of the hair, but. That's
so great. And I just want to point out, if you look down here on the floor, you did not get rid of too much hair, so I'm not going to get in trouble.
Yeah, I think it's one of those things with hairdressing. It's not how much you cut off the hair; it's how much you leave on. And you know, for hairdressers behind the chair, one thing that has always worked well for me is we're not selling a haircut, we're selling your client an image. And so that's where the price point is at these days. It's about an image, not how much you cut off.
Oh, nice way to wrap it up. How do we follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram at Carmody Horman.
Okay, perfect. And it's the Ulta Pro Beauty team, and they're doing great things. And we love it that our model came in because it's all about diversity this season and all kinds of models. And, you know, a 13-year-old, it's... Go ahead, smile for us. Proof.
There you go. She looks awesome.
She's great. She's great. Thank you so much, and thanks for coming today.
Anytime.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.